You finally get the raise you've been waiting for. Your paycheck goes up. For the first time in months, maybe years, you feel a sense of relief. You tell yourself, okay, this is it. Now things will get easier. But a few months later, something strange happens. Your bank account still looks the same. You're still waiting for payday, and somehow you don't feel any richer than before. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And the reason might not be your income. It might be how raises quietly change your spending. My name is Jack, and I spend way too much time thinking about everyday money habits and long-term financial decisions. If you're someone who keeps getting raises but still feels stuck financially, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not provide financial advice. Here's the thing. Most people believe raises automatically lead to a better financial life. Earn more, save more, stress less. That's the story we're told. But here's what most people don't realize. A raise often increases your expenses just as fast as it increases your income. According to data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, as household income rises, spending tends to rise almost at the same pace. In simple terms, when people earn more, they usually spend more too. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the most common reasons people feel stuck even as their salaries grow. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine someone earning $55,000 a year. After taxes, they might take home about $3,500 a month. Their expenses come to around $3,200, leaving $300 in savings. Then they get a raise to $70,000. Now their take-home pay is around $4,300 a month. Sounds great, right? But within a year, they move to a slightly nicer apartment, upgrade their car, eat out more often, add a few new subscriptions. Now their expenses are $4,000 a month. Their savings? Still about $300. Their income jumped by $15,000, but their financial progress barely moved. This is where it gets really interesting. The system around you is built to encourage upgrades. New salary, new apartment, new bonus, new car, new promotion, new lifestyle. And psychologically, it feels natural. You think, I worked hard for this. I deserve a better life. Now, you might be thinking, well, isn't that the point of earning more money? And yes, partly. Money is supposed to improve your life. But there's a difference between intentional upgrades and automatic lifestyle creep. Think of your raise like turning up the water pressure in a pipe. If the pipe has a leak, turning up the pressure doesn't fix it. It just makes the leak bigger. Your spending habits are that pipe. If every raise automatically turns into new expenses, your financial situation stays exactly the same, just at a higher level. Here's a quick comparison. Person A earns $60,000 a year and saves 15%. That's $9,000 a year going toward their future. Person B earns $90,000 a year but saves only 5%. That's $4,500 a year. Even though person B earns $30,000 more, person A is building wealth twice as fast. That's the raise illusion. More income doesn't guarantee more progress. The one rule that changes everything. So what's the one rule that fixes this? Every raise must increase your savings rate, not just your lifestyle. That's it. Simple, but powerful. For example, imagine you get a $500 monthly raise. Instead of spending all $500, you follow a simple rule. $250 improves your lifestyle. $250 goes straight to savings or investing. Your life gets better, but your future gets better too. This is where it gets really interesting. If you repeat this rule for just 3 or 4 raises, your savings rate starts climbing without you feeling like you're sacrificing much. You don't feel deprived. You still upgrade your life, but your wealth begins to grow quietly in the background. Actionable steps. So how do you apply this in real life? First, decide your raise rule now, before your next raise arrives. Maybe it's 50-50. Maybe it's 60-40. The exact numbers matter less than the habit. Second, automate it. If your paycheck increases by $400, set up an automatic transfer of $200 into savings or investments. Do it before you get used to the extra money. Third, track your savings rate, not just your salary. Your savings rate is what actually determines your long-term financial progress. There's nothing wrong with wanting a better lifestyle, but a raise should move your life forward, not just make your expenses more expensive. Because the real goal isn't just to earn more, it's to keep more of what you earn. And if you follow that one simple rule, letting every raise grow your savings rate, you give yourself a much better chance at real financial progress over time. If this helped you see raises a little differently, subscribe for more simple, practical finance lessons. And let me know in the comments, what was the last thing you upgraded after a raise?